Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to back up Zerion Wallet. To back up your Zerion Wallet, first of all, open up your Zerion Wallet application from your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're inside the home page for Zerion, go ahead and tap on your wallet profile avatar at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on the App Settings button in the pop-up menu at the bottom. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on Manage Wallets. Select your wallet group from the top of the screen and then tap on one of the wallets that you'd like to back up. Now, click on Private Key from the menu. Click on Show button and this will display your private key on the next page. Tap on Copy to Clipboard at the bottom and copy the private key and store it securely. Make sure to keep your private key in a safe place as it is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. You can also go ahead and back up your wallet recovery phrases by going to the wallet group page and then tapping on recovery phrase option under backup. Right after you do that, you'll also be able to reveal your recovery phrases by tapping on show recovery phrase on the page, and then you will be able to write down your recovery phrases in a piece of paper to back up your wallet. By doing this, you will be able to back up your Zerion wallet in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.